Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. So today's video will be about WordPress. WordPress is a popular and widely used content management system that allows users to easily create and manage websites. It has been around for over a decade and has proven to be a reliable versatile platform for a wide range of users, from bloggers, small business owners to large corporation and online retail. So this is the WordPress home, the city that never slept. We have some thumbnails here. So let's get started with the website, with the account. So here, let's get started. First, we create our website. So you need your email address, your username, and choose a password. Or you can just continue with Google like I do. Here. And let's go. Get a free 1-year domain registration with any paid annual plan. So you can choose your domain now or later. Enter some descriptive word to get started. I already own a domain. You can use your own domain. Let's just say Madara to test out. So we have Madara blog, free for the first year. Madara.com, WordPress.com, it's free. Org, dog, and others. Fish, RIP. So I will choose my domain later. Choose your flavor of WordPress. We have here the plans, annual and monthly. Annually. So we have the free plan, the personal plan, the premium, business, the commerce, WooCommerce, and enterprise. Here are some benefits of each plan. Storage given. You can compare plans here. So here, the free plan doesn't have anything. So let's start with free plan. Bake in your cookies. Yes, I'm ready to have cookies. So one of the key benefits of using WordPress is its ease of use. The platform is user friendly, like we saw, and even for those which little or no coding experience, this means that anyone can create and manage a website without the need of for specialization technique skills. So select all that apply. What are your goals? Write and publish, sell online, promote myself or my business, get a website built quickly. This for the premium plan. And import my existing website content or others. So let's choose write and publish, for example. What's your website about? We're gonna choose randomly. And we have food. Food is always good. You can rely on food whenever you have problems. Blog name, tagline. Hmm. Let's say talking about eating and click continue. So nice job. Now it's time to get creativity. Draft your first post, watch blogging videos, or choose a design. Let's start with designs. A design for your own website. So choose the template, whatever you need, depending on your desires. So we choose food. Let's continue with food. So this is a premium theme. And we forgot the food idea. So let's see all and scroll down to something that have, this is the WooCommerce plan that have something to do with food here. Madara G813 WordPress.com. Whoa. And this is how your website will look like. Next, turning on the lights, making it beautiful, personalizing your website. This is it. This is the final result. Where is the final result? I'm waiting as you do. And here we have write your first post. It's time to flex. Start typing / answers block. Add a post title. And here, that's how to create a website. Start from zero and answer the need and grow up your website. Here to add answer heading, paragraph list, images, stories, and others. This list is infinite. And here we have the toolbar, the spotlight mode, the distraction free. We have visual editor, code editor, the jetpack, the preferences, and that's it. Let's head here. This is your first post here. So that's your website, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.